Let us look at a lesson from Kali Kannada grade 3. The name of this lesson is Kagadada Doni. Kagada means paper and Doni means boat. So, in this lesson, there are two young girls called as Afreen and Mary. They go to their neighbor uncle to learn how to make a paper boat. Okay, so in this lesson, it's just the instructions that their uncle gives so that they can make a paper boat. So let's start the lesson. Afreen ಮತ್ತು ಮೇರಿ ಕಾಗದದ ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಮನ ಮನೆ ಬಳಿ ಬಂದರು. So Afreen and Mary, ಕಾಗದದ ದೋಣಿ means paper boat, ಮಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು to learn how to make a paper boat, they come to their neighbor uncle's house. ಮಾವ, ಓಹ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. So the uncle, mama means uncle. Okay, so the uncle is telling to the children, banni means come, ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ means we're waiting. So he says, oh children, come, I was waiting for you. Afreen, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಮಾಮ, ನಾವು ಕತ್ತರಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸು means forgive or sorry. ಕತ್ತರಿ means scissors. ಹುಡುಕಿ is search. ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಾಳು means wasted time. ಹೊತ್ತು means time, ಹಾಳು means wasted. ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ did not find. So Afreen is telling to uncle, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ mama means sorry uncle, ನಾವು ಕತ್ತರಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. We were searching for a scissors and we spent a lot of time. We wasted a lot of time. And finally we did not find it. See, okay? ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Till the end we did not find our scissors. Next. ಮಾಮ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. So ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ means it's okay, no problem. ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ means I will give. So mama is telling, mama means uncle, he is saying it's okay, no problem, I have with me, I'll give it to you. ಮೇರಿ, ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಈಗ ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಯಿತು ಮಾಮ, ನಾವು ಕಾಗದ ಅಂಟು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾತುರದಿಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So Mary say, oh thank God, it's a big relief. Okay, ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಯಿತು means relieved now. ನಾವು ಕಾಗದ ಅಂಟು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So we have got paper and gum with us. ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾತುರದಿಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We are very eager to learn how to make a boat. So now mama is telling, ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನೇಕ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿ ಚೌಕಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿರಿ. So now mama is saying it's okay, I also have a lot of colorful papers here. ಅನೇಕ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ means many color papers are here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿ ಚೌಕಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ means like, ಆರಿಸಿ means choose, ಚೌಕಾಕಾರ means square shape. So uncle is saying, I have some more color papers here. You pick whatever you like. Whichever color you like, you pick and pick or choose. You choose or pick whichever color you like and cut it in the shape of a square. Afreen, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ, ನಾನು ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆ, ಮೇರಿಗಂತೂ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣವೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. So Afreen is saying, so many colors are here. ಕೆಂಪು means red. ನಾನು ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆ means take. So Afreen is saying, I will take the red colored paper with me. And I know Mary likes blue. Mary's favorite color is blue. ಮೇರಿಗಂತೂ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣವೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನೀಲಿ means blue. ಮಾಮ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಚೌಕದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. So now uncle is saying, let us start. Prarambhisona means let us start. Then madhyakke means at the center. Madisiri means fold. So he's saying to the girls, now you have the square shape paper with you. Now take the paper and right in the center fold it. So I have a paper here. Okay, this is a square shape paper. You have to fold it right in the center. Okay, so when you fold it right in the center, it will now look like a rectangle shape. Okay, that's what uncle is saying in the next page, next line. Okay, so iga ಒಂದು ಆಯತಾಕಾರ ಆಯಿತು. Ayatakara means rectangle. Okay, now that paper became into a rectangle shape. Then ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಮಡಿಸಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಚೌಕವಾಯಿತು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? So now this is looking as a rectangle shape. So from the other end, uncle is asking them to fold it. Okay, so now if this was a square paper. Okay, now we folded it right in the center and it looked like a rectangle shape. Right, it looks like a rectangle shape. Now from the other corner we have to fold it again. Okay, when we fold it again, now this looks like a square shape. Okay, this looks like a small square shape now. That's what uncle is saying. Okay, so ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಚೌಕವಾಯಿತು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? Now it has become one square. ಮೇರಿ, ಹೌದು ಮಾಮ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ 4 ಪದರುಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. So Mary say, yes, if we hold it and see, we can see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 folds can be seen. Okay, 4 folds can be seen. If you count, see the folds are here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so Mary is saying, now if we hold it, it looks like there are 4 folds to it. Mama, ಒಂದು ಪದರವನ್ನು ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ತುದಿಗೆ ತಾಗುವಂತೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. So now he is saying, now this is there like this, right? So now he is saying, take just one of the fold. Okay, just take one of the fold, fold it into half and make it touch the tip. Okay, so take one fold and make it touch the tip. Okay, so this is how it will look. So this was one fold. Now that fold you have made it go and touch the tip here. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Then ಉಳಿದ 3 ಪದರಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. So now there are 3 more folds here. So take it and put it at the back like this. Okay, so take it and put it at the back like this. Then Mama, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. So Afreen is telling ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ means did not understand. I did not understand. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, tell me again. Then Mama ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳುವರು. Then uncle repeats it again. Afreen, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು. ಇದು ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಕಾರದ ರಚನೆಯಾಯಿತು. Afreen now understood and she says, yes, now I understood it. See, this looks like a triangle shape now after you did all the folds. So trikonakara means triangle. Now Afreen is saying, yes, after I did what you said, it looks like a triangle shape. Mama, ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಕೃತಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀಳು ಭಾಗ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲವೇ? So now he is saying, okay, in this triangle you can see a small opening here. ಸೀಳು means a slit or a opening here. Okay, so uncle is saying, can you see that slit? ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ 2 ಅಂಚುಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರು ಬದುರಾಗಿ ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. So he is saying this tip is there, this slit is there, right? So he is saying widen that slit. Okay, widen that slit and the tips, the other 2 tips, press it like this. Okay, okay, so the slit you open means you made it widen and then you press the tips of it. Okay, and then you press the tips of it. Okay, then Mary, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೌಕವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮ. Now Mary is saying, oh, now this has again become a square. See, now it again is looking like a square. Afreen, ಅರೆ ಇದು ಮಜವಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Afreen is now excited. She's saying, idu majavagide. Maja means fun and nodi means see. So Afreen is saying, wow, I did exactly what you, this is so much fun. And look, I did exactly as you said. Mama, ibbaru sariyagiye ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಆಕೃತಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಬಹುದಾದ ಎರಡು ಪಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರಿ. So now uncle is saying, yes, both of you have done correctly. Sariyagi means correctly. Now you have to, so now it is like this. This part and this part, you can easily separate it. I'll show you again. So you have a square like this. Now you pull this and pull this. You can separate them out. So uncle is telling them to separate it out slowly. Okay, separate them out slowly. Are. So now ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅದೇ ಅರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ದೋಣಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. Then both of them are saying, oh wow, we can see a boat coming now. Boat, ದೋಣಿ means boat. ಮಾಮ, ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಬದಿಯ ಹಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. So now press everything tightly. Okay, press everything properly. ಇಬ್ಬರು, ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಮ, ನಾವು ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆವು. Now both of them are saying, see uncle, we have finally made a boat. See, we also have made a boat now. Okay, we also finished making a boat. Okay, then ಮಾಮ, ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಬಹಳ ಜಾಣೆಯರು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ, ದೋಣಿಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲು ಬಿಡುವಿರಿ? So uncle is saying, ಬಹಳ ಜಾಣೆಯರು means very intelligent. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು means you both. You both are very intelligent. But it is not raining now. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ. ಮಳೆ means rain, ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ means not coming. There's no rains now. ದೋಣಿಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲು ಬಿಡುವಿರಿ? Now where will you float this paper boat? ಇಬ್ಬರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಮ. So both the girls are saying, in our water tank. The water tank in our house, we will go there and make it float. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಡಿದರು. So the children happily started running towards their home. So this is how we make a paper boat. ಕಾಗದದ ದೋಣಿ. Okay, kagada is paper, doni is boat. So we have learned how to make a paper boat in this lesson.